Hello everyone, welcome to another video of yet another review of the orange Spritech mystery PCP compressor box. I just want to do a quick video about my experience with it so far and what my research has been on what I plan to do if and when this thing breaks down. Really, I just wanted to test out my new, camera holder. If you wanted to see a video of this thing in action, this is not the video for you. Just type in some keywords on YouTube, and there's going to be a whole bunch of other videos of people that have already done this to death. They were very helpful in convincing me to get one, but I will not rehash that. As you can see, even though this is not the Spritech official compressor, it did come in the same box, just like it did for this guy. I got mine on eBay, talked someone down to about $280, still came out to $300 delivered. Tested everything, the auto shutoff works. The first thing I did before even testing if any of it worked was to take the top off and look under the hood. It does look like it is not serviceable, so that means there's no holes that you can drop oil in or an extra bleeder valve to take out all the gunk that it's going to accumulate through all the wear and tear. So I'm fully aware that after a while I'm going to have to rip this whole thing apart. I'm going to include two links down there in the description of two people that were really helpful in describing the process. One guy just made a video of it. I think he's a worker in China or something, and he's taking it apart and putting it together with close-up views of a similar compressor. Another one is a guy in America, and he gives a very detailed audio description of what he was doing. Not the most zoomed in, detailed visual work, but at least he's explaining what he's doing. So I went on AliExpress and I looked up some keywords and I picked up this O-ring set. It came in about a week because this guy is actually based in, I think, Georgia or something. So in the future, there's going to be a part 2 to this video that will document my experience of completely taking this thing apart, servicing it, and putting it back together, hoping that it works as new again. All right, see you later.